Abeegi ba Ankole Western University baba nibahendera amashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe.
Cannot go far in any profession without integrity. Build a reputation that can be tested and trusted. This academic achievement, dear graduating class of 2025, is not only for your own benefit, it is for the service to others.
Go and be useful. Otaraba usha. Go and make things better. Your character should be evident of increase in quality and quantity.
Abebembezi b'itendekero bahamizihanga kwabeegi boona abashohora batendekerweje kandi babahiga obutafa emitima bakababusha.
The world you are entering is complex, but you have been nurtured within a strong community here at Ankole Western University, one that promotes trust, honesty, and integrity.
Strategic involvement partners strengthen our academic and research networks. This commitment is evidenced by the presence of the two highly seasoned professors from the University of Ghana here with us today.
Itendekero rya Ankole Western University erizoba batongozaho omukago gwabo n'itendekero rya University of Ghana aho abeegi b'amatendekero aga barije kubana bakora kimwe na mnongo mbya research no mbyobuhingi n'oburisa.
The degree you hold is not just a certificate, it is a responsibility to serve society. As I will quote the chair, sir, education without character is like a body without a soul.
Abeegi barukurenga 51 bajwara masters degree rero barukurenga muri nkaga nabo batunga amabaruha omuri za degree kandi bamwe mu butwagambaho nabo basima mu kamaruhanga.
Ruhanga bw'abantu batubasise Sheema mureberezi bwitu bwa Western Kure no mureberezi bwitu za Right Reverend Johnson Tunomusheni
nyenda kusima Ruhanga abo kuba this has not been my achievement za Ruhanga abo kuba byona mu babikoze.
Gasha kwa Mike Twachire.